This is how you replace the batteries in an air conditioning remote control with a Victorinox Swiss Army knife. This is the Victorinox MiniChamp, and the MiniChamp has a very important tool. This is the spoon in the Victorinox MiniChamp, but you can use this to open up remotes, like an opening tool. Okay, and now that we go to the batteries, I use the same tool, which is not sharp, so it doesn't damage the batteries. I will use it to remove the batteries from the remote. Look how well it works. Do this from the positive terminal. Oops. I think it was like that before. Okay, so remote is off. You don't need the spoon anymore. It's a bit difficult to get in this one. That's it. What's so difficult? I put it upside down. It's upside down, of course. Of course it's upside down. Anything broken? Hope not. Okay. Okay. Finally some use for the spoon on the MiniChamp, the Victorinox MiniChamp. I'm sure there are many other uses. Thanks for watching.